This was a great day spent with Louie and Diliana at Battleship Rock.
Diliana found herself a leverage walking stick, also used in defense of wild animals.
Look, I see snakes.
Oh yeah, snakes, reptilians, you know, the things that live in the inner earth. She's ready to kill them all. Where are you from?
I'm thinking where to go. No, this way.
All right, our captain, our fearless captain is thinking where to go. We are currently lost. All right, she's playing it safe, taking baby steps.
Yeah, see my shoes. These don't have anything.
Yep, those are not good for hiking.
No, I have hiking shoes. I didn't bring them.
That's not good planning.
Let's go, little burrito.
Come on, burrito. The burrito boy, aka Louie, is the caboose in our party because he is the Pokemon of the group. If you're ever in Jemez and you need a place to stay, I think I found one for you. Low rent. Coming soon, a guest house. Is there a trail? Our Bulgarian tour guide is in search of a trail using her superior trail skills. Intense knowledge of New Mexico. We have finally come to a flat spot in our journey. I think we are nearing the summit of the infamous Battleship Rock. Here we are at the summit of Battleship Rock in Jemez, New Mexico, with Diliana, the Lou dog. Woo! There's Diliana. Yeah, we were on that rock. We took the wrong trail. We ended up on the wrong spot, but that's all good. We hiked an extra hour to get here. Let's see what's over here. Oh, that's a long way down. I hope this rock holds. Oh, it's kind of soft rock. Yeah, we're not going to stand too close to that edge. So if you've ever wondered what the top of Battleship Rock looks like, this is it. Beautiful. Best day at the gym this year. Well, look at this root. A tree will find a way if it's thirsty. Look at that, that's crazy. Looks like somebody was playing Tetris on this mountain. It's pretty cool. You know we're gonna put the drone in the air.
So I think it'd be cool shots to film us and then just fade away if you can do it.
All right, ready?
And then just keep it on us. That is gonna be a badass shot, dude.